Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is the part third of the sales series in Zoho Creator. In our previous video, we have learned how to create multiple forms in Zoho Creator and how to hide, unhide, able or disable multiple fields and how to auto-populate the data of a one form to another form on the section of a particular field. In this video, we will learn the uses of the subform and we'll learn the how to auto-populate the data in the subform and do the multiple calculations with the help of the Deluge script. So let's jump to the developer side of this application. Here we are. Let's make this application more useful and beautiful with the help of Deluge script. Okay, noise, no workflow, noise, we can edit user input of field product. Product input. Now let's start coding for each sub data input dot save memo. Save memo product unit price equal to save memo record dot unit price. Sub data tax rate equal to save memo record tax rate. Okay, if sub data form dot product is not equal to null and data dot quantity not equal to null. Sub data dot x amount equal to sale memo record dot unit price multiply by sub data dot quantity. Sub data flow dot tax amount equal to sub data flow x amount multiply by row text rate by hundreds and form dot loading amount equal to sub data row dot plus sub data row dot text. This is the condition when we have the data, and if the fields are empty, we will show the 0 there. So from data x amount equal to 0, and so from data dot text amount equal to 0 dot including amount equal to 0. Let's save it, copy the data, and similarly add the same code in the quantity field of the quantity input. Save it, and now test it. You can see that data is auto populating. Let's say one quantity, and you can see that it is working and doing the calculations. Okay, let's add one more product. Let's say quantity is true, and you can see that it is working properly. Okay, now the last part, we have to add the total invoice value here. So let's add one more field here for this. Okay, here we are. We have to add a decision box with let's name it invoice total amount calculate. Done it. Now write the code for this. Visual input field total invoice calculate total invoice value. Okay, let's start. If the total invoice calculator is true, then invoice value, let's say it is 0 at the start, and we will paste the same previous code here. Okay, we will add the code here. Total invoice value is equal to total invoice value plus sub data row dot sub data row dot including amount, and we will write the input dot total invoice value equal to total invoice value. Okay, if it is unselected, we will write the code for that scenario as well. Creators is equal to false, input dot total invoice value equal to 0.0. Okay, let's save it, and it's time to check our code. Okay, let's add few rows, and let's say 1, 2, and 3, and it's time to test our total. Yes, you can see that it is working. Now we got the total invoice value. Let's remove one and see the total. Yes, you can see that when we uncheck the box, it is automatically set to 0, and now we have the total. Okay, now it's done. And two more things for your practice. You can add two more fields here: the total of the excluding amount and the tax amount. And also you can disable this field because it is able, and you can change the value as well, so it is not a good user experience. So that is for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Creator tutorials. See you in the next video.